Okay, I did not sleep a wink last night. I felt like I was gonna vomit all night. I honestly don't think I've ever felt like this in my whole entire life. Happy Monday guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. This morning I did go to the chiro. I did try to film a clip, but it did not work. So here we are. And then on my drive home, I stopped at a little lookout, which was really beautiful. And other than that, this morning I've just had some coaching calls. So I think I've had 4 already, and then the client check-in emails as well. So it is now 2 o'clock. The day is just like absolutely flying by. Like I feel like I've done nothing, but I also feel like I've had a super productive day. I don't know. But at the moment, I'm making my meal prep super late. I'm starving. So I've got some vegetables in the microwave. I love cooking my vegetables in the microwave. It's so much more time convenient. And then I've got some turkey rissoles cooking up and some sweet potato that I'm going to turn into mash. So I'm super excited. This is going to be my lunch for the next 4 days, and I'm also going to put some like gravy on top. Is it even really Easter if you don't have a hot cross bun the week leading up to it? I don't think so. I am just having a little hot cross bun as my afternoon snack because I am obsessed. Let me know down below, are you a fruitless, a fruit, or a chocolate kind of gal? Okay guys, I'm about to do something so out of my comfort zone and so scary for me. And that is booking my first pap smear test. I don't know if I'm going to keep this in the vlog because it's very unusual for the type of vlogs that I film and things like that. But at the same time, it's so important for your health. And as you guys know by watching my vlogs, I'm all about physical health, mental health. And this is something that needs to be done. In Australia, you get your first pap smear when you're 25, or at least you're meant to get your first pap smear. I am 28 this year, so I've been putting it off for a good few years, and I've been trying to book it for months now, but I just keep chickening out. I literally want to vomit. Like, I'm that nervous that I'm like shaking. I feel like there's just something here that just wants to come out. Like, that is how anxious I am around this topic. And I know some people like don't mind at all. All of my friends are like, what are you even worried about? It's no big deal. But to me, it's a big deal, and I just don't like, I don't like going to dentists, let alone doctors and that whole thing. So I am absolutely petrified, but I think I'm going to call up now and make the appointment. I feel like at least if I vlog it, maybe it'll give me the, the kick up the bum that I need to. But yeah, I feel like I want to vomit right now.
My health base Cameron speaking.
Hi there, I was wondering if I would be able to book an appointment for a pap smear.
Yes, certainly.
Did you have maybe Thursday morning available?
Oh, okay, yes, sure. Sorry, assumed that you wanted next day. Sorry about that. I should ask you.
That's fine.
Yes. Oh, okay. So you haven't actually been here before?
No, this will be my first.
Okay. So,
thank you. Bye. I'm not gonna lie guys, it is Wednesday and I am struggling to be a human knowing that I have my test tomorrow. I just can't, like, I go through all these phases where I'm like, okay, it's important, like you have to do it, definitely at some stage in your life, so you might as well do it now, it's already booked, you're fine. And then other times I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and my body is just like not responding well. I literally am probably overreacting so much, but that's just my body and just the way I feel about any sort of doctor, dentist appointment or anything like that. So I guess I just wanted to showcase that because I'm sure there'll be at least one person watching this who is in the same boat, terrified of getting their test done and just terrified of like doctors and hospitals and stuff in general. So I'm just trying to keep it real, but I am really struggling to do any task today. It's 1 o'clock and I'm just like heating up my lunch. Other than putting my laundry away this morning, that is all I've done. I'm struggling, but anyway, I will update you guys in the morning. Right guys, it is Thursday. It is 9 a.m. in the morning, so I have to leave in 20 minutes. I cannot breathe. Safe to say I did not sleep a wink last night. I felt like I was gonna vomit all night. I honestly don't think I've ever felt like this in my whole entire life, and I know I'm overreacting, but at the same time it's just my body's response to reacting to this stress. So as much as my mind is telling me like you're gonna be fine, it's gonna be over in 30 seconds, my body is still just like no. So I'm gonna use the last 20 minutes because I'm like ready now to do some journaling to get my thoughts and feelings out. I want to remind myself that this needs to be done, and it's something that we have to do as women for our medical health. Like, as uncomfortable as it is and just like scary, I know it's something that is super important. And also, like, obviously down the road I want to have babies and stuff, so if I find this 30 seconds with a doctor uncomfortable, how will I be like giving birth? So I'm kind of just trying to think of all the positives and, you know, reminding myself that this is super important and it's something that I have to do no matter what. So yeah, I'm just going to start journaling now, and then I'm going to go to my appointment. Oh my god guys, it's done, and I'm so much happier, and I feel so much freer now that it's over and done with. I'm obviously not going to go into detail, but I do just want to say it is definitely not as bad as I anticipated, and I knew that all along. Like, all of my friends who had them done were like, don't worry, it's not as bad as you imagine, it's not as painful as you imagine. But obviously you don't really know until you feel it for yourself, until you go through that like process. I had a really lovely doctor, and I had been recommended her from like other people, so she was super comforting. She talked to me the whole time and just like asked me about my work and stuff. So it kind of was just over and done with before I even had a chance to really like sit and think about it. So yeah, this is your reminder. If you haven't booked yours yet, or if you're due for your next one, please book it in because it's super important. It's one of the most preventable cancers if detected and treated early enough, so it's definitely a good cause. But yeah, okay, I can go back to my normal life now. So it's been a few hours now, and I actually went back to the shops because I had to get a few things for my mum's birthday present, because we're going back home tomorrow for the long weekend and it was her birthday recently, so I just picked up a few things. But does anybody else just let their room turn to trash when they're like super stressed? Because I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but I've kind of left my room just looking atrocious because the last few days I've just been not myself. But I'm about to clean it up, make the bed and do all that fun stuff because it's really kind of annoying me now. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse now because it really needs some cleaning, and when Andy gets home tonight we'll either go to the gym, because I haven't been this week at all, or we'll be packing for going away tomorrow. I'm not sure what I feel like yet. I guess we will see. Good morning guys, and happy Friday. It's actually Good Friday today, which means it's a public holiday, but also we have a 4-day weekend, which is so fun. I did train clients this morning, and I probably will train on Monday morning as well, so it's not really a long weekend for me. However, we are going back home to go camping with my family, so we're still kind of making the most of it. As you can see behind me, we've got some of our camping stuff ready to go, and Edie's just now in the basement kind of packing the car. But I just wanted to end out this vlog. I'm sorry it's kind of like all over the place. I didn't even show any workouts. I don't think I really showed any food. It's just kind of, it was a bit of a weird week, let me just say that, but hopefully it somewhat helped you guys if you're looking to like book in your test and stuff like that, just to see kind of like how I felt about it and then post test. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.